Are your eyes constantly screaming for relief from allergies? If you're tired of itchy, watery eyes ruining your day, stick around as I'm diving into Allercrom Eye Drops and whether they're actually worth the hype. First, let's see what's inside the box. You'll find the bottle of eye drops and the instruction leaflet, which I highly recommend you read before using. Allercrom contains cromolyn sodium, which works by preventing the release of histamine and other substances that cause allergic reactions in the eye. Think of it as a shield, proactively guarding against the allergy attack. Now, application. Tilt your head back, gently pull down your lower eyelid to create a small pocket, and squeeze 1 or 2 drops into the pocket. Try not to blink for a few seconds to allow the medication to absorb. Key takeaway. Allercrom works best when used before allergy season starts, usually 46 times a day. This helps build up protection. Don't wait until your eyes are already inflamed. While Allercrom might not provide instant relief like some other allergy eye drops, consistent use can significantly reduce your allergy symptoms over time. Many users report noticeable improvements after a week or 2. Overall, Allercrom is a solid option for those seeking long-term allergy relief. Remember to consult with your doctor or pharmacist to determine if Allercrom is right for you.